I have got this dishwasher from a customer. His complaint was that this dishwasher won't start. This clean light was flashing but nothing was working. I opened it apart, I checked the control board, the fuse, everything was looking fine, and finally I had to do the reset. And I'll show you guys how to do the reset. I think you have to press the high temperature wash and heat it dry maybe 3.5 times like this to reset the control board. So here all the lights are flashing. After that, press cancel. You also can hear relay is clicking when it is restarts. Press the cancel, it's fixed. Press cancel, normal. It starts filling, so the dishwasher is fixed. Thank you guys for watching.